All right, KA24DE Crank no start issue. I ran into the issue when I bought the car. I could get it to fire up, maybe drive it around the block a few times, die out. Wouldn't start back up. Crank, 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 no start. Went online, did hours and hours of research, videos, digging through 15-year-old forums, and I couldn't find this answer. Everybody says, oh, replace the distributor, replace the distributor. Why would I need to replace the distributor if it's distributing power? This was the culprit. Crank angle sensor. Now the forums will tell you, oh, the crank angle sensor is bad. Replace the distributor. Bro, distributors are $300. And that's for something that's probably gonna go out. I mean, I'm sure this one will go out at some point soon, but $300, I didn't really feel like spending $300 after I spent all the money I did trying to figure out this fucking problem, throwing parts of the car without doing much diagnostic work. I did run through all my electrical, all my injectors, pin the wires, everything, looking for shorts, couldn't figure it out. I watched a video on YouTube where a guy was switching out his disc into a KA turbo. He was putting an SR disc into a KA. That way he could have more tuning capability. And I said, well, bro, if this thing can come apart, maybe this sensor can come out. Sure enough, you open this up, there's 2 screws in there, it pops right out. You don't have to pop the distributor out. Went on Amazon, $60, $70, found one, threw it in, car fired right up. It's been running great ever since, besides just the general KA vacuum issues and a little tiny bit of a misfire. Other than that, I hope this video helps you guys. If anybody's having that issue, it's something to check out.